G'day, another Brett Johnson quick camera review. Konica Z-up 130E, so 38 to 130 mil. Good little camera. It's got a rudimentary diopter control and some basic controls. Doesn't have a data back. Who cares? I don't want the date on my photo. There might be something good there. Good little camera, good results. I love all these cameras for what they offer in fun. Bit annoying because it does this thing where you focus and it sort of zooms in and zooms out. I don't know what that's doing, getting the focus right, whilst you've got the exposure happening. So you've got this little zoom thing going on. It annoys me a bit. A lot. So I rate it 5.5 out of 10. But look, doesn't mean it's bad. Just means that it annoys me. So someone else might rate it higher. And it's all bang for your bucks, isn't it? All of these cameras that I've reviewed in this recent series are just so cheap. And as I said in a previous video, people go nuts buying $2,000, Contax T2s. And you get 95 to 98% of the result with something like this for $100 or $50. I don't know why you'd buy a Contax T2. Let me tell you, I don't have one. I don't have a $2,000 point and shoot camera. Yes, I've got very expensive rangefinders and SLRs and medium format cameras and medium format rangefinders and digital cameras. This is being shot on an Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III. But $2,000 for a point and shoot. Go and buy one of these. Have some fun. That way if you drop it off your boat or out of your car window, you go, uh-oh, better get another one. Okay. Sorry about all my extra commentary, but maybe this series can morph into something that's more than just about cameras. Maybe it's about photography and the zen of photography. Brett Johnson, quickie camera review. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.